Howdy y'all, welcome to Canoe's former 718 Cayman GT4 in a manual. Canoe had the beautiful Porsche for a decent while, and this is actually his second Cayman GT4. Yes, Canoe let me take his beloved GT4 out for some laps, and I gingerly drove it and maybe got 4 to 5 tenths out of its potential. The car was mind-blowing, and my feeble, slow Miata brain could not comprehend this at the time, and probably can't right now at this moment. I was very nervous to drive the car, but will say everything about it was incredible. The steering, the chassis, the brakes, the sound, the engine, everything was incredible. Canoe asked me if I really wanted to see how it should be driven, and I totally took him up on the offer. So you're going to be seeing the passenger point of view. I filmed this about a year ago, however, the footage and audio came out bad and not really to my standard of where I wanted it to be for you, the audience. The camera was facing the steering wheel the whole time because I had a chin mounted setup compared to my newer forehead camera mounted setup that you may be familiar with. On top of this, my audio was completely clipped and shot. This was with my old Rode mics and the audio was not salvageable, so you're gonna have to just listen to GoPro audio, which still isn't that bad. Canoe has asked me where the video for his old Porsche was because he does miss this car, so I had to release something. He has since let the Porsche go because he had become accustomed to the chassis to where it felt like cheating for him to drive. His best time is a 119.4 at Harris Hill Road in this car. I mean, come on. Canoe is a phenomenal driver and has found more fun in making slower cars faster, like his TT5 prepped 86, which you can see me drive at the top right corner of the screen. Canoe will get another Porsche someday, maybe, but for now, we all love the underdog chassis that you can build. If you like driving fast, and you like cars, and you like driving cars fast, please consider subscribing and liking. Anyways, enough blabbering on. Here are some laps of Canoe. Enjoy! Much later. Porsche? You now see me? Yeah. Just boom in. rotating in there. Now he's going over the limit. Right? He said it can drift too. Apparently so. That turn's terrifying.
Alright, I'll slow down.
Dude, that's fucking ridiculous, dude.
Yeah, it has grip for days.
Well, grip for centuries. It's ridiculous, and it just pivots too.
Yep.
That's insane. Yeah. It was truly a sublime experience. Again, Canoe, thank you so much for the ride. That is one I definitely have not forgotten to this day. I'm going to go ahead and call it here, y'all. Thank you so much for watching this far. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Again, if you like driving fast and you like cars and you like driving cars fast, please consider liking and subscribing. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. I am extremely excited to be here right now. It wouldn't be without y'all's support, so I appreciate you so much. I can't stress that enough. Anyways, until next time, bye.